Hey everyone, Greg Shapiro with New England Made, coming to you from my home office basement with another video tip for New England Made shows. So we're down here because this is a heavily carpeted room in my home, and of course this is a vacuum cleaner. Now the reason why we're using the prop of a vacuum cleaner is we're going to talk momentarily today about pre-show marketing. A lot of people wonder, why do I need to do marketing if I'm already made my commitment to be at the show? Well, you never want your participation at a show, any event, to be in a vacuum. A vacuum just sucks it up, and it doesn't give any of the pertinent information to the actual audience. So while you always want a vacuum to clean up your home, you never want a vacuum when you're promoting your business, particularly if you're making the investment in time and money in a trade show. So do everything you can now, as we're now almost into mid-February, to get out the information to your existing customers. Make sure you're making good notes of customers you'd like to do business with in this current year, and make sure you've got accurate emails and phone numbers, and communicate out the show dates, what you'll be featuring, your booth number, and how to get a hold of you. Email, websites, Facebook, even phone. Do not, I repeat, market like you're in a vacuum.